tell you about our body. Do you know our body is a wonderful machine? It has two main parts, external, internal. External parts can be seen from outside. We can touch them. For example, head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and trunk, limbs. Head is called the king of our body. Head, it controls our body. Eyes help us to see things around us. Ear help us to hear different sounds. Nose help us to breathe and smell. We eat, drink, speak with our mouth. Trunk. The body apart from head, limbs is called a trunk. There are two types of limbs, upper limbs, lower limbs. Now the internal part, the part of our body cannot be seen from outside. They are called internal part. Brain, heart, kidney, lungs are some internal part of our body. Brain, it controls all the function of our body. Heart supply blood to all our body parts. Lungs, they take oxygen from air. Kidneys filter waste from the blood and remove it away from the body. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I am going to tell about organ system. So stay tuned. Bye bye.